it's Bunnies and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing amazing. I hope everything's well with you guys. Hope you guys are feeling great. Today we are going to be doing some DIYs that we actually seen from TikTok because I literally live on TikTok now. Anybody else, comment down in the comment section if you live on TikTok now. But basically I'm on TikTok all day, every day. Like way too much. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, my TikTok's LotsOfBunnies. But I want to do some DIY stuff that I've seen, clothing wise, kind of like modding and, you know, tinkering with the clothing a little bit, seeing if it works, see if these hacks and tricks are like worth it, or if it's just more worth it going and getting other stuff to do it properly. Everything's basically with household items that you can do. So we are going to be trying some TikTok hacks for clothing today. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new, hit that sub button with your bunny paw. If there's any TikTok DIYs, clothing, non-clothing, whatever, that you guys want to see me do, be sure to comment them down in the comment section. Also, if you could link the creator that you've seen do it, that way I could try to find them and like replicate their DIY, see if they work for another video. Let me know if you guys enjoy these like DIY TikTok videos or not. And let's jump right into the video. So now we are working on the shirt project. I printed out a photo that I wanted on my shirt, which is a picture of Ant, and I got my favorite picture of him, and I'm going to put that boop right on top of my shirt. I already cropped my shirt because I like crop tops, and basically from my understanding all you do is you wrap it in plastic wrap, cling wrap, and then you put parchment paper on top of it and you iron it for like 5 minutes or a couple minutes, something like that. So we are going to do that and we're going to see how it looks and if it works. Wish me luck. So this is the shirt that I'm using. I just have like a regular white shirt. It's actually Ant's white shirt, so I'm just going to put it boop like that, and I think that's where I'm gonna want it. I feel like that's a good little place. And let's see if this works. Here's the shirt. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is basically bleaching a design logo into some jeans. I didn't have any jeans that I really wanted to ruin if it doesn't work out, so I do have a vest that is pretty dark. I actually think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna do a few different like things with the bleach, but I have my Louis Vuitton logo and monogram cut out. Don't look at my one nail, I broke it earlier. We're not gonna talk about that. So basically I'm gonna put the big monogram on the back and then the little LVs on the front, and I'm going to cut this out and make it a stencil basically, and then draw the bleached LVs on, if that makes sense. I am going to use an X-Acto knife, which you don't necessarily need. I just like the X-Acto knife for precision. So I'm going to be using that, and then I'll be also wrapping it in tape to make sure that it works out well and doesn't like, the paper doesn't get messed up when I put bleach on it basically. So let's see if this works. So for the jacket design or the vest design, I think I'm going to do bleach here, and then put the like LV down this little patch, or maybe actually up here. We might put it up here, and then on the back I want to do the big LV, boom, just like that in the center. I think that would look pretty dope with maybe like the little pattern around it. I could also do this part bleached white, which I kind of think I might do. I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna kind of play it by ear. Hopefully this works out. I think this is big enough. I hope that's like big enough, not too small. We could actually do maybe like 2 or I don't know, a couple. So we have to find the pattern that we want. So I'm not gonna hold you. I'm pretty sure this did not work like by any means, like 0%. I'm pretty sure nothing on this vest bleached. This is what it looks like after bleaching it. It literally like nothing bleached out. So I'm gonna let it sit there for a while. I bleached the 2 panels and in the middle, but we'll see if they bleach out at all. Good morning, you guys. Today is the next day, and I thought I would update you guys on how everything turned out and looks the next day. So here's the shirt. I am wearing it, and I wore it a little bit last night, and then I'm wearing it again today, like fully for the day. And it's actually pretty comfortable. I don't have really any complaints for how cheap and like how easy it was. However, the jean jacket the next day is a complete fail. Like, it didn't bleach literally at all. I put bleach on the side panels, both side panels, like a lot of bleach, and it didn't bleach it out at all. Also, the LV didn't get bleached out, and the front didn't bleach out either. I put bleach completely on the center panel, and it just didn't bleach out. So I think it's this material. I don't really think it was like the bleach. I use Clorox bleach, so I don't think it was that. I just think maybe the material isn't like good for bleaching because it's like the stretchy jean material. So I think that was a flop. I do want to try split like jean bleaching. I'm just nervous now that you only need a certain kind of jeans maybe to bleach. Not quite sure. If you guys know, please feel free to comment down in the comment section below. Help me out, because I am so confused on why that didn't bleach. Let me get the fabric, so if anyone's curious. It is 69% cotton and 30% polyester, and then 1% spandex. So maybe the spandex is what didn't bleach, or the polyester, I don't know, I'm confused. But anyways, so that is what that fabric was. If you have that and you're thinking about making like split jeans or bleaching your jeans, maybe it might not work like mine. I'm not really sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nonetheless, I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys want me to do anything in the future, feel free to comment down in the comment section. I will do my best to do it for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Maybe I hate TikTok. But I hope you guys enjoyed what? Project. I don't know if you guys zoomed in. We should probably not zoom in. Okay. Mwah.